Hello, it's Mark from Whitebox. We've just finished fitting out this Ford Transit Custom with our new OPTi Rack system. Now, what is OPTi Rack? It uses the Sortimo system, but it's an upgradable racking system. So let's have a look inside and I'll show you what it's all about. So as you can see, we've got the standard Sortimo L box and the S box. Now, the clever thing about this, if you look on this side, the front lip of this shelf is actually removable. So the standard Sortimo shelves, you get a deep shelf, a shallow shelf, and you get these shelves with no front at all. So if at a later date you want to upgrade the racking to add the boxes in, you can actually unbolt this lip of the shelf, put in some of these blue runners, and then put boxes on there. The brilliant thing about this is one of these units, a single unit here, will cost around £400. That means at a later date you can upgrade it with the extra boxes, so you don't need to go and spend thousands of pounds straight away. So over a year, over a couple of years you can upgrade it. But also it means at the time of purchase you can get exactly what you want. This racking is for medium sized vans, so today's Ford Transit Custom, you go into a T6, Renault Traffic, anything like that. Still got the lift up flaps, little space here for the jerry cans, and the T-box here as well. So yeah, upgradable racking system. Check out our website, check out the brochures, check out the pictures.